So welcome again to my vlog video. This video is to explain on how a binary to decimal code works. So first we will include the three kinds of library, which is the IOStream, the syststring, and also the CMAC. And we should not forget about the using namespace study. Then since we are going to use a function so that malinis tignan yung code natin or hindi masyadong mahaba. So, gagamit tayo ng function. So, we're gonna declare the function's names, which is the void input, and its parameter na char array of binary, bold check is binary, and then and convert, and then we have the constant size or pinangalan natin max size is 64. Hindi kasi siya pwedeng 16 kasi kapag 16 ika-count niya pa rin yung sobra. So magkaka-output, pero pag 64 hindi na niya ika-count yung sobra sa 16. So proceed tayo sa main function. Una is declaration. Char digit or array of char digit with its max size na 64, and then integers of length converted to decimal and decimal. And then next line, this will just print this output, itong 3 lines na binary decimal calculator, tab, daming dash, and then input the binary digit. This will prompt the user to input a digit that is maximum of 16 without spacing. So next line is a call of function, which is yung function ni input digit. So yung function na to hahanapin ni compiler kung ano yung definition niya, which is nasa line 42, void input array of char array of binary. Say and that get line binary max size na 64. Dito nga i-store yung mga in-input ni user, kung anong mga value na in-input ni user ay dito mag-i-store. And then see out new line para sa next step na gagawin. Then balik sa main function. And then length. Yung length is ito yung haba or ito yung value kung ilan yung na-input ni user, which is strlen digit. Ang gawain ni strlen is yung mga digit or mga value na in-input ni user is ika-convert niya yun isa-isa. Ika-convert niya into a value, which is like example, kapag nag-input si user ng 11001, meron na siyang 5 characters. So, yun yung purpose ni strlen. Then, after niya ma-convert, i-assign niya kay length yung value na na-convert niya. And then, next line is if check is binary digit or length is less than 16, greater than 16. Length is greater than 16. Dito, may condition siya. If yung isa sa kanila is mag-true, proceed siya sa magpo-proceed siya sa next block. Sa loob ng block nito, which is yung cout, invalid input. Kapag yung isa sa kanila is nag-true, magpe-print ito ng invalid input. Like, kung yung length is sobra ng 16, so mag-invalid input siya or try again. Tapos kapag itong check is binary digit, hahanapin muna ni compiler pala yung function definition nito, and then which is yung function definition niya is Ball check is binary RF car RF binary. Gagamit tayo ng for loop sa loob ng definition niya, which is 4 and I is equal to 0. I is less than strlen binary I plus plus. Then, execute naman niya to kada iterate niya. If yung na-input user is not equal to 0 and it is not equal to 1, kapag ito nag-true, execute niya na naman tong if strlen binary is less than 16, so magre-return ng false. Magre-return din siya ng false if yung nag-true. Pero kapag naman etong if RF binary is not equal to 0 is nag-false, so ignore niya yung block, yung susunod na line, and then magpo-proceed siya dun sa return true. Magre-return yung function ng true. So, babalik sila sa taas, then lalagay na sa check is binary digit yung na-return ng function. So, it is not false. So, proceed siya sa next line or next kind of block or next loop, which is yung 4 and I is equal to 0, I is less than length, and I plus plus. See out digit, yung mga in-input ni user is isi-see out niya. Yun lang, ipaprint lang niya. And then sa converted to decimal, dito ma-assign yung i-return ng function ng convert digit, which is may color function tayo dito. So, hanapin na naman ni compiler kung nasaan yung function definition ni convert digit, which is yung function niya is and convert RF car RF binary. Magde-declare tayo ng tatlong variables, which is the decimal equal to 0 kasi gagamitin natin siya sa pag-sum up, summation, or sum. Then length is equal to strlen binary, and then exponent. Para malinis tignan yung ano po. So, gagamit lang ako ng exponent. I-assign ko doon kung nakailang exponent na ba siya. Then, next line is, preprint lang niya yung new line, tsaka equal. Then, gamit na naman yung for loop, which is and I is equal to 0, I is less than length, I plus plus. Yung length is, yan yung ilang characters yung nilagay ni user, or ilan sila lahat. Then, sa loob ng for loop, meron tayong exponent is equal to, so ito na siya. Exponent is equal to length minus 1 minus I. Kaya hindi ko nilagay yung assignment ni exponent doon sa labas ng for loop kasi hindi gagana yung I. So, dito sa loob ko siya nilagay para kada iterate ng for loop, mapapalitan yung value ni I. And then, yung value ni length minus 1 minus I is assign natin kay exponent. Bale, itong length minus 1 minus I is kung 16 yung input ni user, so 16 minus 1, 15. So, minus I na 0, so 15 pa rin. So, exponent sa taas, exponent na pinakalas is 15. Decimal plus or equal, isa-sum up niya yung RF binary minus 0 times pow, or pow, which is power of 2 to the power of exponent, yung na-calculate doon, which is 2 to the power 15. So, and then next line is isi-see out nyo lang to, tapos yung value, yung element or value ng binary na na-input, and then itong times 2 to the power, and then yung exponent na na-calculate doon. Then if yung length minus 1 is greater than I, then mag-see out siya ng plus. Hanggang sa paulit-ulit lang yung process dito hanggang sa mag-false yung condition niya doon sa taas. So, pagtapos niya doon, proceed to next line, which is C out. New line na naman is equal. Ito yung, kung anong mga value ay yung nabuo doon sa kabilang loop. For and I is equal to 0. I is less than length. I plus plus. Then, same lang dun sa taas. Exponent is equal to length minus 1 minus I. C out, is C out nyo lang tong parenthesis. Tapos, yung binary or yung in-input ni user, which is 1 ba or 0. And then, times pow 2 to the power of anong exponent yon yung nabuo doon. Like, kunwari, yung length niya is 16. So, 16 minus 1, 15. Then, 15 minus I, which is 0. So, 15 pa rin. So, dito is 2 to the power of 15. Yun lang. I-see out niya lang yun. And then, if length minus 1 is greater than I, i-see out niya yung plus. Kapag ito nag-false, hindi na i-see out yung plus. Kasi, papangit na yung output dun. Kaya nilagyan na namin. Kaya nilagyan ko na ng ganito. And then, after niya dito, mag-iterate na naman siya. I plus plus. So, 0 plus 1. So, yung I magiging 1 na. So, exponent is equal to length minus 1 minus I, which is yung length is, ilan ba yung length? Diba 16? So, 16 minus 1 minus 1. 16 minus 1 is 15. Then, 15 minus 1 is 14. So, 14 na yung exponent na susunod. And then, same lang ng process hanggang sa mag-false na yung I is greater than, I is less than length. So, after niyang mag-false, and then proceed siya sa next line, which is the C out new line is equal to decimal. Ipiprint niya yung decimal. Which is, yung decimal is yung sum ng, sabi ko na yung sum ng decimal dun sa pinakaunang loop. And then, after niya dito, magne-next line na naman siya, which is return decimal. I-return ng function yung value ng decimal. Kasi gagamitin natin siya sa main function. Ayun, nahanap na ni compiler yung niya. So, binalik na naman ni compiler yung hinahanap ng call of function na to. I-return na yung value. So, yung return decimal, dito ma-assign kay converted to decimal. Then, next line is, isi-see out na naman niya yung new line. And new line, binary, and then, see out digit. Which is, yung in-input ni user, lahat ng in-input ni user, mag-print dito. Kung 11100 or anything. Then, next line is false decimal. Then, yung converted to decimal, which is yung value ng decimal. So, yun lang.